Congratulations! You have made it to week 4, Mosaic Victory, week 4 of our 2022 HusKAL. Hope you had good luck with your color work. Let's talk a little bit about this week's pattern. It appears to look like color work. It is what we call mosaic knitting. And mosaic knitting means that you knit with one color at a time. So unlike this one where you were carrying 2 at a time, you are carrying and working with one color at a time and then slipping the stitches. So this week we'll be working with 2 colors, your A color and your C color. And your A color is your A color is what you'll start with, and you'll do 12 plain rounds. As we discussed last week, we went up an extra needle size. I was pleased. Let's take a look at mine. I was pleased with that there's just a minimal amount of pull that I feel really confident will block in by going up the extra needle size. And so I'm going to recommend that again. I did go down to finish these rows, and then I stayed with really what is called kind of your main needle, which is a 3 for me, and the majority of the project is done with a 3. So kind of from this point forward, we're going to refer to it as your main needle. I did go up to a 4 for this section, and I'm going to do the same when I do the mosaics here. And in fact, I did it on this first round around so that then I'm set and ready to work the mosaics as well. I'm ready to begin round 13. I may or may not have mentioned that I really like these Cocoa Knits foam needle, not really needle protectors, but just protect your project. Keep your project. How many times have we thrown it in a bag and then we come back and pick it up? So really like them, especially on a smaller 80 stitch project like this to really keep things in place. If you look at your pattern, several things that you'll notice. This is a rhythmic pattern as well, and I mentioned that early on in the project that I always like to give a look to my round, and you'll know it'll tell you what yarn to use. So I'm switching yarn at this point, and then there's always asterisks. And it's repeated what's in between the asterisks. And so you'll see that it's slip 1, knit 1, slip 2, knit 3, slip 2, knit 1. So there is a real rhythm to it. And I try to get that kind of in my brain as I'm working, the rounds. You'll notice also that round 14 says, and all even numbered rounds. Using the current color, knit the knit stitches and slip the slip stitches as they face you. That means when you come to them and as you're looking at it. So we don't really have to worry about that as much because we're working this project in the round. And so don't forget that if you look at the pattern, it says round 15, and then you don't just automatically go to round 17. You've got to go back up and do round 14. So basically that becomes 16, it becomes 18, it becomes 20, and so forth. When they write patterns, that's one of the things that will often happen is to save time. This would become a very long pattern if we wrote that same round out as well. Let's talk about starting row 13. You start with a slip 1. And so this is not really a section that's a candidate for weaving in as you go. So I will tie these. So we make decisions about this kind of throughout the whole project. Sometimes I weave in, sometimes. So these 2 I will tie, but I'm not going to tie them until I've done a couple rounds. So it is slip 1, knit 1, slip 2, knit 3, slip 2, knit 1. It's a 10 10 stitch repeat, your stitch markers are going to come in handy again in this situation. What I like about using the stitch markers is it helps us determine that we're off quicker than going all the way around. So you could definitely use your stitch markers every 10 stitches. Now let's talk a little bit about slipping the stitches. So we're ready to repeat. So it is slip 1. So when you slip 1, you simply enter it from the right to the left, and you enter it from the right to the left and bring it over, transfer it from the left needle to the right needle. And we would call that slip purlwise, because if you were putting your needle in, that's how you would put it in purlwise. Then we knit 1, and then we slip 2, 1, 2, and we knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll slip 2 and knit 1 again. Sometimes in a pattern it will say slip as if to knit, and that's when you would go in and slip it this way. What that does is it turns the stitch around. You would remember that from our SSK. Whenever it doesn't designate, so it doesn't say slip as if to knit, so it just simply says slip. That's all you do, is you just transfer it right on and over. So we'll slip 2 and we'll knit 1, and then we'll make the turn in our magic loop and continue on. Now I'm not going to put a marker here because I know that really the turn of the magic loop results in a 10 stitch segment here. So I can't put a marker on here. It'll fall off every time, and then I'll continue to work, remembering that then next round when I encounter these, I will slip, knit, slip, slip, knit, 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 slip, slip, knit. So I'll do exactly what I did for round 13 and so forth. So I'm going to do some, and then we'll come back and give it a look and finish up with some more tips. It's a Mosaic Victory. Wow, this looks great. All done. Again, I did go up in this section, and then I went back down to my main needle to finish it out. I wove in the ends. I tied the ends. I did not do a weaving as I go, just because, especially in this section when I introduce the rusted roof color. But I'm really pleased with it. Remember again that all the blocking that we do, which we'll give you tips on, really will help your project. So you're progressing along great, I'm sure, and we will block it when we're all done before we join it together. Next week, one color, and I think, if I remember right, this was one of my favorites. Super simple, and it moves based upon just knits and purls. And it will not be a mistake next week because we do have a bye week, but it will be the following week. So for those of you that need to catch up on some of these other projects, this is your patterns, this is your chance, and then you will receive this in 2 weeks on a Friday.